Hi, this is Amanda from the Davis family, and we're just going to show you today a quick weekend project. We have a fire pit area that we are working on redoing this fall. The main thing that we want to change is this cover that we use to cover the fire pit. It is a gas fire pit, so we can just turn it off and turn it back on, make our s'mores, use it quickly, and then it's done. We don't have to worry about building a fire and then putting the fire out properly. But this cover has become a problem. This is our second cover in 3 years, and it's already got a hole in it again. And it's not pretty. So we want to make a pretty cover. Shouldn't take long, and it should be under $50 if we've figured this out right. So we'll take you through building your own DIY fire pit cover for under 50 bucks. Right, Gertie? Okay. So we have our 36-inch pine board round piece of wood. I'm assuming it's used for tabletops most of the time, but I got it pre-finished, pre-sanded, ready to stain from Lowe's for around 30 bucks. And I already had the stain, and I have poly, but what I have is the water-based poly, and since we're going to be using this outside, I think I'm going to go run to Lowe's and get some of the oil-based poly, so that way it'll be better for an outdoor protective finish to keep this from getting wet and having to be redone. Okay, I have the new supplies. So this is the outdoor polyurethane that they recommended, and it's supposed to expand and contract with the temperature so that it'll keep it from cracking and make it last longer outside. And I had a friend that owns a Cricut vinyl cutting machine make me a cool stencil. So we're gonna try to stencil a design on top before we poly it. Okay, so we are done with the stencil. It turned out super cute. It had to go on in 4 pieces because it's about 2 foot by 2 foot. But I think it turned out really cute. So now we just need polyurethane and handles, and then it's done. So we are done, and it turned out perfect. Even better than I expected. We stayed under the $50 mark, and it looks beautiful. We did spray paint these end tables black so that they match the chairs better, and we love the way it turned out. I will link all the items we used in the description below. Please subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.